Hi guys, this is David. Sure, you know who I am. And let me get this guy so you can see it. Good. And this lecture is about finding graphically linear intersections. That is, we're going to take two lines. Now the lines can be in various format. We can give a formula, or we can give 2 points. Now the trickiest one is 2 points, because or we can do point slope for that matter, but the thing is that if we can do 2 points, we'll do the point slope, because we'll have the slope and then we'll take one of the points. And also we can talk about formulas, but we can do the formula because once we have 2 point in the slope, we know it's formula. So, and I'm going to do it graphically first. Also, once we know the formula, all you have to do is graph the line with that formula. So, let's attack this little problem as an example. The line through 4, 1 and 8, -3, and the line through -9, -7, and -5, 1. Now, I already have a graph set up with those points on it. So, here we see 4, 1, and 8, -3 in blue, just like it's on the thing. And here we see -9, -7, and -5, 1. So, I'll start with the blue guy, and I'm going to get the slope by making a triangle. So I'm going to create the triangle right over here with that point. So you see that point makes a nice little triangle here. And I'll also set up in purple a point over here. Oh, let's not use purple. Let's use brown for a point over here to make this triangle. Okay. Once again, you got the 2 triangles, and now I'm going to use my stylus, yay, and get the slope for, let's start with the blue line. Okay, so our first step is going to be finding the slope. So, one sec. Stop that. I want you to move, not move this. Alright, be that way. Okay, because I want my pen there. Now, what we're going to do is we'll start with 4, 1. We'll go here to the corner point, and so that's a positive because the x values are getting bigger. This gives me a delta x, and from 4 to 8 is 4. Then we'll go down, and that gives me a negative because the numbers are going down. Delta y equals -4. So the blue function delta y over delta x equals -4 divided by 4, which equals -1. Now, switch to red and work. Okay, oh, before I do that, what I'm going to do is that says that if I go over 1 from this point, I'm going to move down 1. So that let's switch back to blue. There's my blue here. So we'll go down 1, and over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1. You see that the slope of -1 connects the 2 points. So that gives me, but that doesn't tell me where the intersection is going to be. So Actually, I have no idea where the intersection is yet, so I'll go over 1, left, up 1, and I'll drop all the points on this line on the graph. You see? I'll put all those points and just draw. Now with all those points, even on this sort of graphing on a touch screen is not the easiest thing in the world, but you see that I can draw a pretty good line if I drop enough points on, even with this gadget. Now I'm going to change it to red, because I'm going to do this guy. Okay, so what we have in red is we're going to move from -9, -7 to -5, 1. So we go. This side is going to be, once again, -5 to -9. We count them out and we get delta x equals 4. Okay, make sure you put delta x on the bottom of the slope. Now, here we have delta y. That's going to be a little bit bigger. Delta y is going to equal, well, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So delta y is 8. So that gives me delta y over delta x is, I've made the math easy, 8 over 4, which equals 2. That's a slope of 2. Let's check it. I'm going to drop down points by going over 1 up 2. Over 1 up 2. Over 1 up 2. And as you see, the line connects those 2 points. So that slope is correct. Now I'm going to keep going over 1 up 2, over 1 up 2, over 1 up 2. And I see a, and once again, with that many points, I can draw a line even on this surface, and that gives me my intersection. Now, it's very important, the intersection is an XY pair. It's not just X or Y. So, go back in. So the intersection point is x of -2, so it's -2, y of 7. So it's -2 comma 7 is my answer. Okay? And that is how we do this graphically.